guys, so in today's video, we're going to be doing France for a geography thing. And you probably heard of France. Like, I mean, if you didn't know of France, you probably don't even know what geography is. But first off, we're going to get to so France, which is also its full name is the French Republic, is a country in Europe, in Western Europe. Okay, and the capital of France is Paris, and the whole area of it is 674,843 square kilometers, 260,558 square miles, metropolitan France, including overseas departments and territories, which we're going to get to that. There are some islands and there's also some other parts of France. You have France in all the way in South America, which is French Guiana, which it shares a border with Brazil, and there's also a divided island that France actually shares a border with the Netherlands, which is called Saint Martin, and there's also an island off the coast of Canada, which is called I forgot what it was called. Let me just look back in here. It's called Saint Pierre and Miquelon. Yeah, it's off the coast, and if we were to get to like original France, France also has another island which is Corsica. It also it's bordered by Spain, Andorra, which is there's a tiny bit of a thing right here, right there. Spain, Belgium, Luxembourg, and kind of I think you can't say it, but it technically shares a border with the UK because of the Channel. You could say that. And Germany, Switzerland, and Italy. And if you probably don't know this, I'm going to say it right now. There's a hotel on the border with Switzerland, which is called Hotel Orbez. It's a hotel, which I just said, and basically in 3 of the rooms, which is room 6, 9, and 12, you basically could be sleeping on the border, and it's pretty cool that you actually get to sleep in 2 different countries at the same time. Okay, moving on. So the languages of France are French, yeah. And the largest religion is the Roman Catholic. The currency is a euro, which you would probably expect, because it's in the European Union. Its exports are machinery and transport equipment, aircraft, plastics, iron, steel, and chemical products. And the population, which has probably doubled, I bet it's like around 70 million, I think. I mean, this is a book, if you haven't seen my Indian video, this book is from like 2015. So this is 2015 records. And you'll probably say, Hunter, that's wrong. Well, I'm using a book from 2015. And this is the only really good one I use. And for this one, it says the population of France is 65,350,000. And okay, we're gonna read about the flag. This is what the flag's supposed to mean. Well, actually, yeah, this is what the flag's supposed to mean. France national national flag, the tricolor, has been in uninterrupted use since 1848. And I also forgot to mention that it was the later flag was adopted on March 5th of 1848. They've changed it. They've actually changed it. So for this one, this shows what it was. It shows what it was back in when they changed it in 2020. But what it was before that, it was just it was like a lighter blue, and they've changed it on March. I meant not on March. I meant in July of 2020. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, blue and red are generally accepted as the colors of Paris. White, the color of the royal house of Bourbon, is also associated with the Virgin and the 15th century French heroine. Jeanne d'Arc, the colors represent the ideals of 1789 French Revolution: liberty, equality, and fraternity. The tricolor is flown with blue at the hoist. The tricolor is the official flag of France's overseas territories, such as Reunion Island, which is in Africa, and French Polynesia, which I forgot to mention is in Oceania, some of which fly approved local flags alongside it. Yeah, say for this other one thing in Oceania called New Caledonia, which is a territory of France, and it wanted to change its flag because, everybody wants to change their flag. and pretty much we're done with political geography. Now we're gonna get to so let's get to this. So over here, in southern France, you can see like some deserts over here, and there's actually an exclave of Spain called Bolivia, and that's pretty strange. And there's also this is kind of like political geography in here, but I'm just using physical geography. But basically, there's it's somewhere over here. Hold on, wait, let me look it up. Okay. So it's basically, there's this island in the middle of the France-Spain border, which is called Pheasant Island. Nobody lives there, not even any pheasants. It changes every 6 months. So from February to July, it's Spanish, and then from August to January, it's French. And I think I'm right about that. Yeah. So you have that, and okay. So there's like a lot of there's like a ton of deserts over here, and a lot of the Pyrenees. Over here in northern France, there's it's like green grass. In western France, where it shows a border with Germany, looks good too. And it looks like it's not connected, but it actually kind of is connected. And that's what. So, if you want to see this is the island that is a part of France. It is called Corsica. And here's what. So, it's very close to Italy, which this island right here is Italy. And I don't know why France just says you can get the island. I mean, I mean, it's closer to Italy rather than France. And we're gonna see what okay, let's look it up. So it's supposed to be St. Martin. Okay, that was just one of my dogs. So here's the border with the Netherlands. It's cool. And I mean, France and the Netherlands are a little closer too, as you can see. And Paris, which everybody knows Paris. And you want me to show you a funny thing? Okay. So over here, let me look up something. There's literally a sus France. There's actually a commune in France which is called Sousse. Sus, actually. I just like to say Sousse. Yeah, and that's pretty strange. And here's what the Hotel Orbe looks like. So it's in Las Rosas, France. It's right over here, and here is where it is. So let's go right here. Here's a look at one of the bedrooms, if there is going to be a bedroom. Here's a look at one of the bedrooms, and as you can see, here's the Swiss side, and then over here is the French side. And it's pretty cool. And there's also this, oh, and I forgot to mention, it also borders Monaco, which is the second smallest country in the world. It's right here. And it's pretty strange how there's so many things like that. But I don't really know what to say. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though this is a little short, as expected. I really just forget, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for when I upload a video. See y'all guys in the next video. Bye!